Hello, welcome to Johns Hopkins University, and thank you for considering the Applied Mathematics and Statistics major. My name is Ed Scheinerman, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to my section of Freshman Experiences in Applied Mathematics and Statistics.
Mathematics is all about numbers. My section of this Freshman Experiences course is also all about numbers. In particular, we're going to take a careful look at the notion of a real number. Let's start with a simple geometry question. We have a 1 by 1 square. How long is its diagonal? For the answer, we turn to our good friend Pythagoras. The diagonal is the hypotenuse of a right triangle whose legs are both 1 unit long. From this, we easily determine that the length of the diagonal is the square root of 2. Here's the question. What is the square root of 2? To answer, it's a number that when multiplied by itself gives 2 is not really an answer. Here's an answer. Unfortunately, it's an incorrect answer. The square root of 2 is 7/5. It's a pretty good wrong answer because when we square 7/5, we almost get 2. So a good answer to what is the square root of 2 would be a number of the form a over b, where a and b are integers. As you may well know, there is no such fraction. That is, there is no rational number whose square is 2. For us to say then that the square root of 2 is an irrational number doesn't really help. It's just a fancy way to say, well, it's not a rational number. Which makes me wonder, is there a square root of 2? Well, indeed there is. It's a real number, but to understand what it is, we first have to consider what is a real number really. Truth is, you can do applied mathematics just fine without knowing what a real number really is. Approximations to several decimal places are going to work just fine. But you'll be using real numbers like the square root of 2 and pi and e often. Let's find out what they really are. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful experience here at Johns Hopkins.